DVT AI Assistant can help streamline your revision control workflows in the DVT IDE. In this example, we've just added a new signal and propagated it across multiple levels of the design hierarchy. As you can see, the change spans across quite a few files in our project. Let's stage these changes and click the Generate Commit message using DVT AI Assistant button, located directly in the Staging View toolbar. Notice how the commit message box gets populated with a context-aware description of our modifications. If you want to further fine-tune the message, open the AI Assistant commands list and select Generate Commit Message in Chat. Here in the AI Assistant chat, you can iterate until the output meets your expectations. Now let's commit and push. As you can see, it looks like there are some incoming changes from the remote, and we get the typical non-fast forward error. To quickly understand the incoming changes and assess if conflicts are likely to appear, we can run Summarize Remote Changes ahead of the current commit. You can easily adapt the blueprints to your own workflow. For instance, you can use equivalent commands for other revision control systems. Let's switch to this other project that uses Perforce. First, we run Edit Predefined Blueprint. Then, in the chat view, we ask the AI Assistant to adapt the blueprint for Perforce. Once the changes are done, we can simply run the modified blueprint as shown earlier.